Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I have to be honest with you. I've been waiting for this day where I'm going to see uMacele Benomayeni butting heads. Because listen, those women, you can sing a body language yabo abavani abathelelani amanzi, you guys. But in all these seasons, they've really tried to be respectful towards one another. The one has an attitude ukuthi mina ngifike kuqala lana. The other one has an attitude ukuthi yes ufike kuqala kodwa mina ngingumamkhulu. Guys, on tomorrow's episode, or tonight's episode actually, of Uthando Nesthembu, we see a little bit of a argument nyana that's going on between uMacele Benomayeni. Now guys, we don't have context of it. It is just a trailer. So I'm going to purely be giving my comment on the trailer. Right? We will watch it kahle tonight, and then tomorrow we will talk about it kahle futhi. So we see uMayeni. Umusa says to the wives, remember, he's making them watch the Uthando Nesthembu season 7. Umusa says to the wives ukuthi indaba number 5, number 5 sekafigile and number 5 uyangena. uMayeni then asks a question to Umusa, and she asks Umusa ukuthi usumlobolile na number 5. uMacele ngenas it guys. uMacele says ukuthi mina ngizombuza Umusa when he brings number 5 mina. uMayeni then says, no, Musa kumkhulumela uMusa. Let him talk, you guys. And then we can see uMacele staying in her diary station. Slow down, mama. Githi lava boy too. I've been waiting for this, you guys. But if I'm being quite honest, why uMacele khulumela uMusa, guys? Because uMayeni, she was posing that question umyeni wakhe. She was posing that question uMusa. So why did uMacele feel the need ukuthi ayingene ngena the question and say ukuthi she's going to ask if uMusa umlobolile once the girl is brought to her? Macele, whoa! But you can see ukuthi uMayeni is kind of like irritated, and uMacele is also kind of irritated because I see somewhere where uMacele said something like, okay ngiyeke mina khuluma nobabakhe, like to say, okay, because mina ngizama ukunikeza, I'm trying to give you an answer, fine, speak no Musa. I'm just like, these two wives. But uMayeni asked a question, guys, and umbuzo umile. She asked uMusa in their diary station, uMacele uma wakho yini? Well, guys, abanye are saying ukuthi uMacele uthanda uzenza ugo flow. I'm just like, guys, these two, this season, guys, people are not holding back. uMacele is always like andizingeni, but this season it looks like, because remember, guys, there was a trailer where it looks like uMusa is coming in between uMayeni and uMacele. I think this is going to be towards the end of the season, because towards the end of the season, that's when they normally go out on trips. So we see there was a time where uMusa takes out the whole family out on trips, and uMusa's in between uMacele and uMayeni. And I'm just like, hi, but guys, these two wives, bakhathele. uMayeni is like, listen, isithandwa sami lesi, there's nothing I don't know about uMusa. uMacele, that's uMayeni saying that. uMacele on the other side is like, listen, anginandaba ukuthi wena ufike nini washe wacima okusalayo. I'm umamkhulu and you better give me my place. But I'm like, even if you are umamkhulu, like, girl, slow down. uMayeni was not talking to you. Guys, tell me your thoughts on this gatas, because uThobile says ukuthi hayibo this season, hey boy, is got up his with gata, and it looks like it's giving that already, guys. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.